Today, we review the best 5 mini fridges that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Midea WHD113FB1 Refrigerator and Freezer. Midea is renowned for offering fine selection of quality freezers and refrigerators in various functions and styles. This Midea 3.1 cubic feet compact refrigerator comes with separate compartments for freezer and refrigerator.
Number 2.
Kululi Mini Fridge Electric Cooler and Warmer. It is incredibly easy to switch from cooling to warming in Kululi Mini Fridge. You can track the setting of this appliance through an easy-to-read display light. Flipping a switch helps you change the setting. Both the warmer and cooler produce no noise.
Number 3.
Danby Designer Compact Refrigerator. If you are looking for a counter-high refrigerator that promises a large storage area in compact space, then you can consider purchasing Danby Designer Compact Refrigerator. This unit promises 4.4 cubic feet refrigeration capacity. It is ideal for lunchrooms, recreation rooms and workshops.
Number 4.
1.6 to 1.7 cubic foot fridge by RCA. The best thing about this personal fridge is that you can set the feature to warm or cool mode as per your requirements. The condition is that you need to switch settings before unplugging the fridge.
Number 5.
Uber Appliance UB CH2 Uber Chill Mini Fridge. This latest refrigerator from RCA would make a perfect addition in your office, bedroom or college dorm room. This would basically fit anywhere because of its compact design. This fridge features an adjustable thermostat and is CFC free. It would keep your drinks and food at perfect temperature all the time.